Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to block an email address that you will no longer receive messages from that account in your inbox. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account, and then ang next step dito ay select lang tayo dito ng any email address na gusto natin na masend automatically to spam. And then, select lang tayo dito and then open lang natin itong email, right? And then next, ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong 3 dot icon. So, i-click mo lang dito. And then next, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung filter messages like this. So, i-click mo lang ito. And then next step, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung create filter. So, click mo lang siya. And then dito sa create filters, nandito yung mga option nito, okay? So, select lang tayo dito. And then next, ay select lang natin tong delete it. So, check mo tong box. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung create filter. So, click na lang siya. Right. So, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Makikita mo dito na your filter was created. So, every time na magsisend ito ng email sa atin inbox, ay automatic na masasend ito sa spam natin. Okay. So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin mag-block ng email address in Gmail account. Okay. So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.